هذه قصة باللغة الإنجليزية أنشأتها بموقع الذكاء الاصطناعي.
In the magical land of Eloria, there lived a diverse group of creatures who had called it home for centuries. There were joyful fairies with gossamer wings, wise old tortoises, nimble deer, and even chattering squirrels, each bringing their own unique talents to the land. High above, nestled in clouds of candy floss, was the Rainbow Bridge, the symbol of unity, love, and peace within Eloria. The bridge glowed in myriad colors, radiating warmth and friendship to every corner of the land. However, a shadow of disagreement began to creep over Eloria. The creatures started to argue about who should lead them. The fairies claimed that their ability to fly made them the best leaders. The tortoises, with their deep wisdom and patience, believed they should be in charge. Even the deer and the squirrels had their own reasons for why they should lead. The more they argued, the dimmer the rainbow bridge became. One day, an old wise owl named Olivia, respected by all for her insight, called for a gathering at the base of the bridge. "Friends," she began, her voice soothing yet firm, "do you not see what our squabbles are doing? The rainbow bridge is our symbol of unity. Its glow is fading because we have forgotten what it stands for." The creatures murmured amongst themselves, realizing the truth in her words. Olivia continued, "Leadership is not about who is the most powerful or the wisest, but about serving others with kindness, respect, and understanding. We must learn to work together, for it is only through cooperation that we can rebuild the unity we once had." Slowly but surely, the creatures of Eloria began to change their ways. The fairies used their flight to help the tortoises build better homes. The tortoises shared their wisdom with the younger creatures. The deer organized groups to gather food for everyone, and the squirrels planted trees to ensure a future harvest. Day by day, the once dim rainbow bridge began to shine again, this time brighter than ever before. The creatures had learnt an invaluable lesson. A nation thrives not on the strength of a single leader, but on the collective effort, respect, and love of its people. Olivia, perched on her favorite branch, watched the bridge with a twinkle in her eye. "It is our differences that make us strong," she whispered to herself. "As long as we remember to cherish and respect them." And so, Eloria became a land of harmony once more, a beacon of hope and unity for other lands to aspire to.